I bet you didn't know top-paying AB contracts like this exist right now. If you're an able seaman seeking better pay and shorter rotations, you need to see this. Attention all able seamen. Imagine sailing on a modern RO vessel under the respected Italian flag and earning €2,850 a month, tax-free. That's right, solid pay for doing what you do best, with contract durations of just 3 to 4 months. You'll have time at sea and plenty of time at home. We're looking for EU nationals with at least 18 months sea experience, including 1 year as AB. Join a professional crew, enjoy reliable rotations, and work with a reputable company that values your skills. Positions like this fill up fast because experienced ABs are always in demand. Don't wait. Send your CV to the email below and set course for your next great contract. Subscribe for more maritime job updates. Smooth sailing ahead.